Very good morning. In basic simulation lab, the first experiment is basic operations of the matrix. In these basic operations of the matrix, what are the operations of the matrix are there? Addition operation, subtraction operation, multiplication operation, division operation, and transpose operation, determinant operation, and how we are finding that eigenvalues, eigenvectors in the particular given matrix. Here in this experiment, now I am going to explain about how we are creating a particular matrix, how we are perform the basic operations on the matrix. Okay. Now see here. First of all, after click on this icon of our what is this icon of our Scilab software. Now the display is this is the display we are getting. Okay na? In this display there are the four windows are there. First window is console window, and second window is browser, that is variable browser, and fourth one is third one is command history, and last one is the directory window. These are the windows we will get. Actually this window we are not using. Actually here this is the window, fifth one is also there, but in our experiment purpose we are not using this window. Okay na? Is there any software related updates are there that will show you? If it is internet is there, that will show you the particular software related updated what is the we will get the particular messages related to our software. Okay, now see here. Here in this console window, first of all, this is the first experiment. Now I am writing the program in console window only. Why? Because here this is the basic program. That's why we are getting the in this console window when we are writing the program. Here when I am writing a program in console window, now I am getting the output also in the same window, in console window only. Okay na? Here why? Because here the first experiment, basic experiment. Now that basic experiment, now I'm writing the program in console window only. Now I'm getting the outputs also in console window. Coming to that next experiment, coming to the generation of the signals and next experiments, we will go for the next window. What is the type of the window? That is in this console window, just we have to type here, edit, then we will get editor window, one more window. On that editor window we have to write the program, and we will execute the program, we will get some outputs. Here what is the difference between that console window and editor window? In console window, in the same window we are getting that output, but in editor window, here we have to write the program in editor window. The output, whatever the outputs are there, the output we are getting in console window. Okay na? In console window and graphical window, that is output we will get in graphical window. Now what are these windows? Variable browser, when we are writing the program, what are the variables, number of the variables we are using, that variables are displayed in variable browser. Okay, that is that is what is this? In this variable window, what is this? Name, value, type, and visibility, these are displayed here. Command history, what is this command history? Here in this command history, if it is any previous program is there, that program, the command, whatever the programs are there, that programs are stored in command history. And directory, file browser window is we are using for that. When we are writing the program, then that program we have to save particular location. Okay na? After save, then we have to execute the program, we will get this particular outputs. Okay, this is the purpose of this these are the windows. Okay, now I am writing the first experiment, that is operations of the matrix. Now I am generating here. First of all, before I am going to that addition and subtraction operation, first of all, how we are generating a matrix is important. Now I am generating here, first of all, 1 2 by 3 matrix. To generate, first I am generating here, to generate the 2 by 3 matrix. 2 by 3 matrix. What is that 2 by 3? If suppose the matrix name is A is equal, here that is in brackets, 2 by 3 matrix 1 comma the elements in the matrix we are separated by using space or comma. In the any matrix the elements, what are the elements are there that we are separated by using space or comma. 1 space 2 comma 3, and this is first row is completed. First row is completed. Then yeah, this is the symbol we are separating the first row, semicolon. The first row is completed. Now the second row is the elements are 3 comma, if suppose my elements are 3 comma 4 comma 5, bracket close. Now I am generating here one 2 by 3 matrix. 2 rows and 3 columns are there. 1 2 3 2 rows and 3 columns. Here after writing, after a is equal 1 2 3 3 4 5, here if it is, now I am not placing here semicolon. If suppose now I am placing here semicolon, the purpose of the semicolon is to hide this particular output. This is output only. Okay, now a is, now I am generating, after generating this is a matrix. Okay, now I am generating to perform the addition of the matrix. Now we require B matrix also, that is equal to 3 comma 4 comma 5 semicolon 3 comma 2 comma 1. This is B matrix. Okay na? Generation of the matrix A and B matrix are generated. Now I am adding this 2 matrix, addition of, now I am performing here addition of about 2 matrix. Addition of above 2 matrix. What is that command we are using? That is new variable. Now I am taking here t is c, the new variable c is equal a plus b. For the addition we know that there is a plus symbol only we are using. In matrix also there is a plus symbol. Now output, this is the command we are addition of. Now we are performing addition operation. Okay na? C, the output is 1 plus 3 4, 2 plus 4, that is 6, like this. Now we are getting this addition operation. Now I want to subtract the subtraction operation. Subtraction of about 2 matrix. About 2 matrix. What is that new variable? Now I am taking D is equal A minus of B. D is equal to A minus of B. This is output. Now these are the basic operations. Here actually when we are coming to that multiplication operation, term by term multiplication, here there is actually matrix multiplication is different and term by term multiplication is different. Now I want to perform the term by term multiplication. After that matrix multiplication, now I will go to here term by term multiplication. How we are perform the term by term multiplication? Term by term multiplication. Here now I am taking that new variable, that is E is equal A dot means dot of star, that is the multiplication symbol we are using, star into B. That means in each and every element in this A matrix, first row first element of the A matrix, the second element second matrix first element we have to multiply here. Each and element to element multiplication. E is equal, this is output. And F, term by term division. Now I am going to that term by term division operation. term by term division. Here term by term division also we require the new variable, that is f is equal to a dot of by b, a dot of by b, that is equal to this is term by term division of A matrix corresponding A matrix and B matrix. Okay na? Now suppose now I am generating one more matrix to generate the one more 3 by 3 matrix. Now I am generating one more, here 2 by 2 matrix are there. Now I am generating one more 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, 3 by 3 matrix. The 3 by 3 matrix here, A, the matrix, the name of the matrix, that is equal to A is equal to 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3, 4 comma 5 comma 6, 7 comma 8 comma 9. What is this? Yeah, here undefined variable is there in matrix A, that's why we will get undefined variable q1. Now that is A is equal, one more, A is equal 1 comma 2 comma 3, 4 comma 5 comma 6, 7 comma 8 comma 9. This is 3 by 3 matrix. Now if suppose in this matrix, now I want to find the particular element in the matrix. Now I want to find the second row third element. For the identification of the particular element in the matrix, now the syntax we are writing here, now I want to find that to the element in the second row and third element. Second row third element. What is the syntax we are using, the command we are using? A of, in this matrix, A of particular 2 comma 3, we are writing 2 comma 3, that is 6. Here second row third element is 6, identification of the particular element in the matrix. Okay, now I am generating here one more matrix, that is generation of the one more 3 by 3 matrix. Now I am generating here one more matrix, that is generation of the 3 by 3 matrix. B is equal 9 comma 8 comma 7, 9 comma 8 comma 7, semicolon, 6 comma 5 comma 6 comma 5 comma 4, semicolon, 3 comma 2 comma 1. Here this is B matrix. Now I want to add this 2 matrix. Now I want to add this 2 matrix. That is addition of 2 matrix. Addition of 2 matrix. That is C is equal to A plus B only. Output. C is equal to A plus B. This one and this one matrix. 1 plus 9, 10. 2 plus 8, 10. 3 plus 7, 10, like this. We will get this particular output. Here these are the basic operations. Now I want to find that I am going to that multiplication of this 2 matrix. Now I want to go this multiplication of 2 matrix. Multiplication of A and B. That is C is equal A star of multiplication symbol is A star of, that is dot multiplication into B output, A star of into B. Now I want to multiply this 3 by 3. If we know that term by term multiplication, how the term by term multiplication operation in previously we did that. What is this 2 by 2 matrix? That is 2 by 2 matrix term by term multiplication. Term by term multiplication, that is A dot of B, A dot of star into B, that is term by term multiplication. Here also if we want to perform the term by term multiplications, the same command we are using, the same syntax we are using. Okay. Now scalar matrix addition. Now I am going to that scalar next operation, this scalar matrix addition. Scalar matrix addition. If suppose one scalar, that is A is equal to 3, okay, A is equal to 3, this is one scalar. Okay, to hide this output, now I am place here semicolon. Okay, if we are not placing that semicolon, the output is displayed A value. Okay, A way. And B, now I am generating here one matrix, that is 2 by 3 matrix, 1 comma 2 comma 3 semicolon 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, for this is now add to each element of B scalar, that means C is equal, what is this? C is equal B plus A. Now I want to perform this B plus A. The scalar value is add this A which each and every element in this B, that is scalar addition. Add A to each element of B, that is output. See here, 3 plus 1 4, 3 plus 2 5, 3 plus 3 6, like this we are getting this output. Okay na? Scalar subtraction also same operation, scalar subtraction. Scalar subtraction operation. Okay, in the scalar subtraction operation, if it is A is equal to 3, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, now here the C value is equal, now I want to multiply scalar subtraction, C is equal B minus of A, C is equal B minus of A, subtraction A from each element of B. A from element of B, this is output. That means 3 minus of 1 minus 2, 3 minus of 2, 3 minus of 2 minus 1, 3 minus of 3 0. This is subtraction of scalar subtraction. Scalar multiplication also, that is the same symbol, that is same symbol means scalar multiplication. Scalar matrix multiplication. Scalar matrix multiplication. Okay, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, now C is equal A into B, output, this is output. Like that, scalar multiplication, scalar division also is same. Okay, scalar division also same. The next experiment is scalar multiplication. If it is any multiplication is there, this a is multiplying with this, like this each and this a variable is multiplying with b with that means each and every element in this b, it is multiplying with a. Okay, that is scalar multiplication. Now I am going to the transpose of a matrix. The next operation, transpose of a matrix. Before I am going to the transpose of the matrix, now I am generating one what is this 3 by 3 matrix. Generate the matrix. To generate the 3 by 3 matrix. To generate the 3 by 3 matrix, that is A is equal 1 comma 2 comma 0, 2 comma 5 comma minus 1, 4 10 and minus 1. This is one matrix. In this matrix, now I want to perform the transpose of a matrix A. Matrix A. That is the symbol B is equal A dash. This is the syntax we are using, that transpose output. We get the transpose output. Okay. Here 1 2 0 is there. Here these elements are, we are converted to, this is the transpose 1 2 0 here. Like this we are getting this output. And multiplication, now I want to, this is B output. Now I want to multiplying this A and B. Multiplication of A and B. Now we are using the symbol, what is this? C is equal A into B. We are getting multiplication of this A and B output. And term by term multiplication of, if we want to term by term multiplication, we require what is this? D is equal A dot of star into B. This is term by term multiplication. Next, now I am going to that inverse of the matrix. Inverse matrix. Sorry, here that is some mistake is there. Here what is this question mark symbol is there, that's why we are getting error. Inverse matrix. X of, now I want to find that inverse of particular this matrix A matrix inverse. Okay, X, the new variable, X of inverse purpose, the syntax we are using INV of particular matrix. Whatever the matrix, we have to find the particular matrix, that matrix name. Here now I want to find this matrix A inverse, that is X is equal to INV of A. Now I am getting this output. This is inverse output. Okay, inverse output. Now I want to find that eigenvalues. Eigenvalues. Here for the eigenvalues, the symbol, the syntax we are using SPEC of A. SPEC of A means, now I want to find that A matrix, specifically eigenvalues. Now I want to find that A matrix eigenvalues. SPEC of A, that is equal to eigenvalues output. Now these are the matrix A eigenvalues. Okay, matrix A eigenvalues. Now singular value decomposition. Now I want to perform the next operation, singular value decomposition. Singular value decomposition. The syntax we are using, that is SVD of particular matrix. Now I want to perform the singular value A value decomposition. SVD of this is singular value decomposition. Now same A matrix. Now I want to perform the determinant of determinant of A. Determinant of A. The syntax we are using, the data of particular A matrix. A matrix. This is determinant of A matrix. This is the matrix A. For this matrix, now I am finding a determinant, data of A. Okay. Next operation is identity matrix. Identity matrix. Identity matrix. That is identity with the syntax EYE of here particular what is this 3 comma 3. Now I want to generate the one 3 by 3 matrix in this identity matrix. 3 by 3. This is identity matrix. Matrix of zeros. Now I want to generate one matrix of all the elements in the matrix zeros. Matrix of zeros. That is the syntax zeros of 4 comma 3. 4 comma 3. 4 rows, 3 columns on this each and every element in 0. 4 rows, 3 columns, each and every element is 0. That is matrix of ones. Matrix of ones. Ones of 4 comma 3. Ones of 4 comma 3. This is output. Now these are the basic operations of the matrix. Here, see here, when we are observing the here, each and output is displayed in the console window. Okay, with this first experiment is completed.